How to get to $30 Walmart promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you'll find the search box. Type in Walmart promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can get promo code for Walmart. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Wired. After you open it, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Just scroll and check. 20% coupon code, $20 coupon code, $10 coupon code, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to use. Just click on copy coupon. So here's the code. You can copy it and visit the website of Walmart, log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, you'll find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and you'll get the discount. If you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option of visit Walmart. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Walmart. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and check out. At the checkout page, you will find this section of promo code. Over there, paste the code, and with that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to these offers. You're gonna find tons of offers in this page. Also, try out these websites as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Walmart. Well, this is how you can get up to $230 Walmart promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.